John, how are we doing today?
Hi Taha, how are you?
I'm very good myself, John. So John, could you introduce yourself to my viewers and tell us a bit about yourself?
Sure, my name's John Khoury. I'm the current group CTO at Strandbags. Look, I'm an IT executive. Come from a transformation technology background, private equity, where I've typically led, transformation around automation, consolidation in manufacturing and operations businesses across Australia and globally.
Right.
And obviously security is a big part of that and increasing by the day, by the hour.
Well, fantastic. Well, another question, John, I wanted to ask you, and my viewers would like to know, do you think based on your wealth of experience, would AI replace cybersecurity jobs completely, or would it make it more powerful? What do you think?
It's definitely won't replace it. It will make it more powerful. So like the cyber crimes, they're now using AI and becoming more sophisticated. You have to use the same capabilities to mitigate that risk. And just like with productivity and intelligence, AI is a tool. It complements what you do, and cyber risk is no different. So whether it's the vendor investing in AI capabilities, and I think that's important, you should look at that, or if you're using the insights that you're getting from your cybersecurity platforms, your managed service, and using AI as an extension of that for insights on how you validate that everything's secure, or if there's vulnerabilities, what's the best way to do it? Yes, use AI, but AI won't replace people, in my opinion. Not anytime soon anyway.
Well, thank you so much, John. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
You too. Thanks, Taha.
Thanks, John.